Hi, my name is Grace Jackson, and our topic is over cocaine. So, effects on the brain that cocaine has is cocaine increases dopamine in the brain circuits related to the control of movement and reward. Dopamine is known to affect your emotions, movements, and sensations of pleasure and the way we all react to pain. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter. It's located in the middle of your brain, and it can be called the substantia nigra. Um, so normally dopamine recycles back into the cell that has been released. Dopamine is a chemical. It's released by a neuron in the synapse. Most of us may know that the meaning of synapse is the junction between two nerve cells, and it's consisting of a gap across which impulses pass by diffusion of a neurotransmitter. But however, cocaine prevents dopamine from being released, causing amounts and amounts to build up, which will lead to an increase in the amount of cocaine consumed in order to reach that same high. This can sometimes alter your emotional response, can cause a physical dependence upon the drug, and those symptoms can be characterized as tolerance or in order to avoid what may seem to be withdrawal. Dependency versus addiction. Cocaine can lead an individual to become dependent on the drug, to search for that same high as that they had before. Cocaine can be ranked number 3 on the dependency scale. Nicotine is number 1. Dependency in this case can be defined as the extent to which a drug creates the urge to continue, without even knowing the consequences or knowing the consequences, you're going to continue to use cocaine. Versus addiction, cocaine is an addictive drug that can cause a change in behavior, sometimes irrational behavior. It alters the person as a whole and who they are. It affects their social cognition, which most of the activation is in the orbital frontal cortex. Humans have a biologically need to have intimate relationships or large social networks. Cocaine addiction is very, very detrimental to an individual's life. It affects their social circle, the way that they interact with people. It can sometimes decrease their social circle, and in regards to dependence, a decrease in mutual social interactions, like I've said before, muted feelings to pleasantness. It affects the person and who they are as an individual as a whole, and it isn't a drug that most people want to get addicted to. Thank you.